We're at a sewage backup here with a kitchen sink, actually 2 kitchen sinks that are backed up. They're gonna have a party and we have the pressure on getting this sinks unclogged.
We actually have 45 minutes, guys. As of right now, we have a team coming with our jetter. Dave and I are gonna start prepping things.
Let's do that right now. So I just want you to be mindful, anytime you're going to be doing hydrojetting on concrete, brick, or any type of porous material, you always want to wet down the surface before you start that hydrojetting.
Yeah, it's a big plus, guys, because when you have grease and everything that's going to be on top of this, because it's inevitable, when you're hydrojetting, stuff's going to come out. You're going to see here in just a little bit, so Dave's right.
Go get that water turned on, big guy.
All right, guys, part of the hydrojetting process is actually preparing the grounds for the mess that you're about to see. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn the water on for my brother Dave. What's good about the water, guys, is that it actually wets the material, so all the grease, all the biofilm doesn't stick, because it's much harder to clean if this doesn't get prepared the way we're doing it right now.
All right, guys, when it comes to hydrojetting, what I love about it is that it comes in a lot of different nozzles. What do I mean by that? Well, you know, there's different nozzles that have different applications. So whether you're dealing with roots or buildup in cast iron or a lot of grease, there's different nozzles that you have options to use. My personal favorite is going to be this guy right here. You can see it's got some chain action on it. This is going to be good to really open up an old line, and by far does a lot of great descaling.
Yep. Well, this one right here, you guys, it looks small, but we're going to be using this right now with this kitchen sink because this right here has a laser sharp penetration action that'll just literally annihilate any grease and buildup.
Yeah.
This bad baby right here, this is my personal favorite. This actually is used, it's called a warthog, and for massive root intrusions, and does a little bit of descaling.
This one's better though, guys. Trust me. Hey guys, when it comes to hydrojetting, US Jetter by far is a superior jetter. It comes in a trailer application like this and a truck mount, but this is what the professionals use for sure.
The other thing about jetting, guys, unlike snaking, is that we have actually 300 to 400 feet of hose. So if we have to go in large backyards or long distances, we're able to do that with this amount of footage. All right, guys, so the first thing we want to do is we want to inspect the line. So this gives us the ability to really determine where the compaction is, how far into the line is, and that way we can do a before and after shot. All right, guys, I can already tell that they're using a little bit of drain chemical for this line, because when you see that white grease that's built up, it's not only grease. Ooh. Look at that buildup right there, guys.
All right, so you can see the grease right there, guys. See it right there? All that's built up in the inner walls of this pipe. Just all the way forward. Send it all the way forward, and then we'll see it in reverse.
Massive compaction.
Look at that compaction, you guys.
Look at that right there.
Look at that. I don't think we're going to be able to get through.
No, we should hear.
Keep pushing, keep pushing.
Stopped right there. That's where the stoppage is right there. So we're about 25 feet inside this line from this clean out. All right. All right, let's get the jetter ready.
Look at this. Look at that.
It smells and reeks. That's a lot of cooking right there.
Woo! Look at that. That's so much grease in the line. Slimy. All right, guys, we're putting water inside the tank. This is the water we're using and sending it down the drain. All right, we're filled up. We're ready to turn this bad baby on.
All right, you guys, successful so far. As you can see, look at the amount of grease buildup that's coming out of that clean out. That's a really, really good sign. Okay, we're here at that 26-foot mark. As you can see, we're clear. That debris that you see there is just hot steam from my brother running the hot water, but line is flowing so much better now. Really happy with the results.
All right, guys. While we're putting this away, I just want to go ahead and answer a question that we get often, and that is, how much does hydrojetting cost? Well, you know, that all depends on the condition of the line. If we're removing grease, if we're removing roots, how long the line is. But hydrojetting typically can range as low as $200, and I've seen it as high as $2,500. I would say the average though is about $600 is what you can expect to pay. All right, guys, we barely made that one, but we accomplished it. All right, guys, so you can see how powerful and effective hydrojetting is on removing all of that grease. You're not gonna get that with snaking. Couple of challenges, but we got through it. Customers are happy, they get to go on with their party. Hey guys, if you've ever had a drain issue, please leave some comments down below. We'd love to hear about how you went through that sort of challenge and getting things up and running. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. We'll see you on the next one.